Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Nissan JUKE SV. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 166,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.